How to disable Spring Boot logo banner in stdout. This follows the same teaching style as your earlier Spring Boot topic. Introduction. When you start a Spring Boot application, you usually see something like this in the console. Unspace MISXI NAISI underscore siga 2I Psi da and da win ansai MAMM LSM XAMS Spring Boot. This is called the Spring Boot banner logo. While it looks nice, many developers prefer to remove it for cleaner logs, reduce console clutter, simplify production output, improve log readability. This leads to a common question. How do I disable the Spring Boot logo in stdout? This topic helps learners understand what the Spring Boot banner is, why it appears, how to disable it, different configuration options, best practices. This is a simple but useful Spring Boot configuration concept. What is the Spring Boot banner? The banner is the ASCII art printed when the application starts. In simple terms, banner equals startup logo shown in console. Example concept. App starts means Spring prints banner means logs continue. Why Spring Boot shows the banner? Spring Boot shows the banner to indicate application startup, display version info, provide visual identity. Example concept. Startup message means banner means logs follow. Why disable the banner? You may want to disable it when logs need to be clean running in production, using centralized logging systems, running multiple services, reducing noise in console. Example concept. No banner means cleaner startup logs. Method 1. Disable via application.properties. Best way. This is the simplest and most common method. Spring.main.banner-mode equals off. How it works. Spring Boot reads this property at startup and disables the banner. Example concept. Property set means banner disabled means only logs shown. Method 2. Disable via YAML. Spring main banner mode off. Method 3. Disable programmatically. You can disable the banner in your main class. Spring application app equals new Spring application, my application.class, app.set banner mode off, app.run args. Example concept. Application setup means banner mode set, means startup without logo. Method 4. Using command line java jar app.jar -spring.main.banner-mode equals off. Example concept. Command line config means overrides properties, means banner disabled. Method 5. Using environment variable spring main banner mode equals off. Example concept. Environment variable means Spring reads config means banner disabled. Other banner modes. Spring Boot supports 3 modes. Mode behavior console. Default. Prints banner to stdout. Log prints banner in logs. Off. Disables banner. Example spring.main.banner-mode equals log. Example concept. Banner printed in log file instead of console. Custom banner. Optional. Instead of disabling, you can customize it. Create file. src main resources banner.txt. Example concept. Custom banner replaces default logo. When banner still appears. If banner is still visible. Check correct property name. Check profile specific config. Check command line overrides. Ensure correct config file is loaded. Example concept. Wrong config means banner still enabled. Common mistakes. 1. Typo in property name. Wrong. Spring.main.banner equals off. Correct. Spring main banner mode off. 2. Using wrong YAML structure. Indentation matters. 3. Overriding config elsewhere. Command line or env variables may override. 4. Not restarting app. Changes require restart. Best practice. Best practices include disable banner in production, Keep banner in development. If helpful, use environment-based configuration. Avoid unnecessary console output. Example concept. Dev means banner useful. Prod means cleaner logs preferred. Advantages of disabling banner cleaner logs. Better readability, reduce noise, easier monitoring, professional output. Challenges: remembering correct property, managing multiple environments, config override confusion. Concepts learned in this topic. What Spring Boot banner is, why it appears, how to disable it, different configuration methods, banner modes. Simple definition. Disable Spring Boot banner. The process of turning off the startup logo printed in the console when a Spring Boot application starts. Final summary. To disable the Spring Boot logo, spring.main.banner-mode equals off. Other options: YAML config, programmatic setup, command line arguments, environment variables. Key idea. Spring Boot banner is optional and can be easily disabled for cleaner output. Once you understand this, you can control your application startup logs more effectively.